Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode TD challenge, problem number 605. Can place flowers. So it is a really simple problem in which you have to just make sure that there are no two adjacents, one into the flower bed. Okay. So what exactly is happening over here is we will be given a array called flower bed in which will have values zeros and ones. Okay. So one basically represents the space is already filled, and zero represents an empty space. And you will get another number called n, which will basically represent the number of pots which we want to introduce into our flower bed. Okay, and you have to check if it is possible to insert n flower pots into the flower beds or not. The only condition is there should be no adjacent filled spaces. For example, one is not acceptable. Okay. So what we're going to do in this problem is we will be just iterating through the complete array, and we will check if we are getting three continuous zeros or not. So, at very crux, if we have three consecutive zeros, we can have one pot in it. Okay. So this was the crux of it. So let's move to the code uh, right away. So one more thing which I'll do over here is I will add extra zeros in the beginning and at the end. So I was able to come up with this because I stuck with the test case in which the elements was 0, 0, 1, 0, and 1. Okay. So now in this case, what we were looking for is three consecutive zeros, and I think n was 1. Okay. We were looking for three consecutive zeros, but this is also valid, right? So to tackle all this situation, or we can have this at the end as well, to resolve this issue, I introduce another zero at the start and one zero at the end. So that will not hamper the, any given input or anything else, but it will just simplify our calculations. So next is very simple. Just run a loop for index and range. I'll run from 1 to length of flower bed minus 1. I mean till the last element. Okay. So if flower bed index minus 1 is equals to 0 and index is 0 and index plus 1 is 0. So if we have three consecutive zeros in our flower bed, then what we want to do? I want to update my current index with 1. Okay, so basically we planted a pot at the empty space, and I will decrement. I will make a decrement in our n. Okay, so at the end, we will just check if my n is less than or equal to 0. So if we will be able to plant all the pots into empty spaces, the value of n will definitely get less than or equal to 0. In that case, we can just simply say, yes, pot all the, uh, we were able to plant all the pots. Yeah, so the test case also got cleared. Let's submit for further evaluation. And yeah, awesome. So the solution got accepted and we performed really well. Like we outperformed 91% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks so guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.